Last week was incredible on Three Themes Live. We had Charlie Green, the founder of Remento, help us introduce our new Stitch Your Story theme for the month, Legends.
He told us about his experience on Shark Tank and while sharing your story is so valuable to all of those you love.
It is the stories of those who came before us help us understand who we are.
So we got to work and made some quilt blocks using some new techniques to help you find inspiration for your own blocks.
Learn all of this and so much more by watching Three Things Live every Monday through Wednesday at 1 p.m. Mountain and 3 p.m. Eastern.
Are you ready for this?
Okay. Pinky swear. Watch when you want by clicking on the links below.
Remember, Three Themes Live is where we always have something to make you smile,
Something to learn.
and something to discover. Let's go!